on this Monday. You're watching First Shift. I'm Kristen Strakalitis. Coming up, how General Motors plans to help people in San Francisco get to where they need to go. But first, your morning headlines. Elon Musk is putting the brakes on hiring because he's convinced a recession is coming. The Tesla CEO said in an email he wants to slash 10% of his workers worldwide. His message of economic gloom and doom is the most direct from any high-profile automaker. This is the second dose of dim news for Tesla employees recently. Last week, employees working remotely were told by email, get back to the office or leave. About 100,000 people work for Tesla. Toyota is donating $250,000 to the families impacted by the Uvalde, Texas school shooting tragedy. The money will go for counseling and other survivor assistance services. The automaker is also encouraging its employees to donate and will match any contribution. France is making it harder to flip EVs for profit. A rule change says owners must hold onto a new EV for 1 year and put at least 3,700 miles on it. If they don't, they will have to pay back their government incentives, which range from 1,000 to 7,000 euros. Used car sales are soaring in France, especially EVs, which are selling for above asking price. What you just saw was the 2022 Jeep Wrangler 4-door tipping over in a crash test. Stellantis made modifications to the vehicle because of the same problem in the 2019 model. The International Institute for Highway Safety gave the Wrangler a moderate rating because of this. The car did perform well in other metrics, but rollovers like this one increase the likelihood a passenger can be ejected. For this week's Mobility Monday report, people in San Francisco will soon be able to pay for a driverless ride. GM's Cruise snagged the city's first permit in California that allows for this. Getting permission wasn't easy. City officials had been concerned about safety issues, but the California Public Utility Commission gave the plan a thumbs up with regulations. The cars can only go 30 miles per hour and only be on the roads from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. They will not be allowed on highways or on the road during heavy rain, fog, or smoke. San Franciscoans can expect to see the driverless cars soon. Cruise says it will put 30 Chevy Bolts on the road in the next few weeks. Cruise's senior director says the cars are safe, are very good at predicting human behavior on the road, and are very good at deciding, for example, when to yield. Still, some say driverless cars are unsafe. Public records show that cars with Cruise's controlled computers suffered 34 accidents over the course of 4 years and a span of 3 million miles. Cruise says it has made all the necessary technological fixes. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a good day, and we'll see you Tuesday morning.